Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. If you're looking for a one-pot dish and a flavorful, healthy meal, then this is the dish you must try. This is called Kolambi Pulao or Kolambi Bhaat. And then it's made of shrimps or prawns, and then prawns and rice, but beautiful flavors and key ingredients that you don't want to miss. Let's see what are the ingredients. So for spicy and tasty prawn or shrimp rice, we need all these ingredients. Let's start with 2 cups of rice. I have washed and drained the water. Then these are like 18 to 20 peeled and washed, cleaned shrimps. There are some dry spices powder. So I have salt to taste, just about 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. This is Malvani masala. If you do not have this, you can totally skip this. This is turmeric, which is about half tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder. Here in whole spices, we need peppercorns, star anise, cloves, big cardamom, green cardamom, and cinnamon stick. We need 1 large chopped onion, 1 large chopped tomato, coriander for garnishing, and half of a lemon. These are the ingredients we need it to grind it together. So fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, some mint and coriander, and ginger garlic chili. This is 1 cup of coconut milk. If you do not have coconut milk at home, you can totally skip it. You can instead add the fresh coconut. About 1.5 cups of water and oil to fry. And we need some about 1 tablespoon of ghee as well. Okay, let's do the marination first. Add some salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and this Malvani masala, and some lemon juice. Okay, so I have grinded this mixture and just going to add it here for marination. Give that a good mix and keep it aside for half an hour. Okay, so in a pressure cooker or heavy bottom pan, add about 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of pure ghee. I think I forgot to mention the bay leaves. If you do not have, it's okay, but you can add all these whole spices. Time to add onion. Saute. Once the onion is translucent, add tomatoes. So 1 chopped tomato. Add some salt, turmeric powder, and let the tomato cook. Once you see tomato is getting cooked, add red chili powder, Malvani masala, and garam masala. If you do not have Malvani masala, you can simply add Biryani Pulao masala. Just add a good mix. And time to add this marinated shrimps. Keep it covered for 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so in 2 to 3 minutes, you're not gonna cook the shrimps thoroughly because you're gonna cook it with the rice as well. Add 2 cups of rice. Give that a good mix. Sprinkle some coriander. I've added 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of coconut milk. Give that a good mix. Add some coriander and 1.5 cups of hot water. Bring this to boil and keep it covered for about 10 minutes on medium-low flame. Okay, so in 10 minutes, oh look at this. This is how it looks. Beautiful, nicely cooked. Just garnish it with some coriander. And just for that beautiful flavor, I'm gonna add some ghee. Alright, always remember that once the rice is cooked, just do this with the fork gently. Do not scrape it from the bottom yet, just from the outer layer to get the nice fluffy rice. That's it. Okay, here you go. Look how delicious this looks. I cut some salad on the side, some tomato and onion. You can make raita if you want. And my beautiful flavorful shrimp pulao or Kolambi Bhaat is ready. Let's serve it in a plate.